I started working with Trey Fauché. He's like, let's make this masa, let's make it here. And I'm like, sure. Then we started working with it. 2 years later, we have this recipe. 2 years later after that, we opened this restaurant. So it really came from that masa.
Her flagship is the tortillas, really taking care of where she's sourcing her corn from, grinding it, making her masa.
The way I feel about masa is it's the foundation. It's the plate, it's the fork, it's the napkin. It's like you have to have that. So our Baja fried fish taco starts with a very crispy batter. We use beer and vodka in our batter. It's a half and half in the batter. We feel like it adds a little more airiness to it. So it gives it an extra little bite and it makes it like crunchier a little bit longer. You have to have something spicy and creamy. The cabbage also for crunchy, something acidic, and obviously not to let you down, that tortilla. So it has to be that warm tortilla, that crispiness, the creamy, the acid in one bite. Clams are very prominent in Baja, but birria is something that is in different parts of Mexico, and each part has a different version of birria. So here we do a taco that has birria in it, which is short rib.
A genius idea. It kind of originated, as per Chef Cuisine, from braising the short ribs, and then they were left with all that liquid, not knowing what to do with that.
Because it's super flavorful and you don't want to waste it. We're gonna steam clams in it. So you get like that flavor of birria, but you're eating seafood, which is like kind of like a good mix of both. It's like rich, but like still fresh and clean.
And she just sprinkles lime on top, and it brings everything together. So you have a little bit of acidity, a little bit of saltiness, and just this rich beefiness.
We take very good pride in our ingredient and where we source our corn, where we source every other ingredient, and we take them and create a taco for you. And that's why it's a little bit more than $2, but that's because we're here, we're doing it, it's us, we make everything in-house. I feel it's heart and soul. There's no like recipe for like making Baja food. It's just what really comes out of you, and using fresh ingredients and just making it taste good.